Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to change a 2017 Ford Escape cabin air filter. Start by opening the glove box and releasing the stops so it drops down and reveals the filter cover. Unclip the housing and slide the old filter out, checking for leaves and dust. Wipe the compartment with a damp cloth, insert the new filter with correct airflow arrow, reassemble the cover, and test the AC for improved airflow and smell. Gather your parts and tools before starting to save time and frustration. A correct replacement cabin filter for a 2017 Ford Escape and a soft cloth will handle most tasks. Use a flashlight to spot trapped leaves or debris and a small screwdriver for stubborn clips. Work gently to avoid bending plastic tabs. With everything ready, the swap takes minutes and keeps your HVAC running quietly and smelling fresh. Begin by emptying the glove box, then press the sides inward to release the dampers so it hinges down. Unsnap the plastic filter housing cover and pull the old filter straight out, watching for dirt and critters. Align the replacement filter so the airflow arrow points toward the cabin, slide it in smoothly, and snap the cover back on. Close the glove box, run the fan, and enjoy cleaner air and quieter vents.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.